about to say Simba who. That's a fucking line, isn't it? Do you like ASMR? Hello everyone, well, do that again. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really exciting video. I say that every time, but we're an exciting channel, what can I say? Basically a haul of really inexpensive clothing. When I say inexpensive, like Pretty Little Thing is shaking. I get so many questions all the time about where I buy clothes from, and not gonna lie, I'm a cheap. I don't want to be going and spending loads of money on clothes. If you're like me, this video, okay, the lens looks really dusty. Is that better? Literally wearing a dressing gown on my bottom half, a fashion icon, what can I say? If you're like me and you wanna be able to buy lots of clothes and it not be super expensive, then this is the video for you, because I'm gonna show you how I do that. I know this video is not sponsored, before anyone tries to come for me. I'm going to start the haul off with a pair of shoes. These shoes are from MISSPAP. They're basically clear perspex heels. I wanted to get the silver ones. They had like silver and rose gold soles, but they were out of stock. I basically just think these are really cool and they go with any outfit because they're clear. I haven't actually tried them on yet, and I'm not going to try them on in this video because foot fetishes are real and I'm not here for it. But yeah, they look like this. This bit kind of like ties around your ankle. It's got a clear heel. My mum thinks these are really cool. My dad said they look like stripper shoes. Don't be fucking rude. So you decide, sweaty. The next thing I got I'm actually wearing, and it is this. This material, oh my Lord. This material, literally the best material in the world. It's like double lined, I think's what it's called. It kind of just flatters your body so beautifully. You don't have to wear a bra with it because it's not see-through, and your nips only poke through if it's like really cold. I love the colour. It's red. It's like pretty simple on the back, and I think it's just something really easy to throw on with a pair of jeans. I'd love to put loads of layered necklaces with this because it is quite a low neckline, but you can also like pull the neckline up if you're going to church and then night out. I got you sorted. Another item that I don't currently have because I've literally worn it like 3 times since having it, and bearing in mind I got this package maybe 4 days ago, is this high neck long sleeve black crop top. The photo of the model here. That top is honestly one of my new favourite tops in the world. I've been looking for like a high neck black top for so long, but I really don't like that sort of jersey material, that jersey cotty. Someone needs to send me back to school. That jersey cotton material, because I just think it's really unflattering. It's kind of see-through, like you can see a bra through it, and then don't really not want to wear a bra because it's not very supportive. It's the same double lined material, so you can wear a bra with it, you don't have to wear a bra. How many times am I going to say bra? It's honestly one of my new favourite tops, and I'm not just saying that, as I said before, not spawn. The next thing I got are these MISSPAP. The next thing I got... Get your shit together. The next thing I got are these wide leg long black trousers. You're not really going to be able to see what they look like here, so you'll have to wait for the try on clip. I think these are really cool. Like you can dress these up, dress these down. In the daytime, like a t-shirt tied in a knot or a crop top or something, even just a jumper. And then in the evening time you could wear it with something like this or a bralette or nothing. So they're kind of a crepe material. They're not see-through at all. For me personally, I'm not 210% sure how I feel about them because I don't know. I'm just not skinny. That's the truth, T. I'm not a skinny person. I wish I was, but I'm not. And I feel like they kind of show my belly a bit when I'm stood to the side, and I like things that like, you know what I mean. The next thing I got, I'm just going to say everything's my favourite, but honestly you're going to see me wearing all this stuff so much. This black one shoulder top. Really cool. It's like a stretchy kind of crepe material. I would have ordered a size up because it really does squash my boobs, but that's kind of good because it means I don't have to wear a bra with it, which is ideal seeing as it's one shoulder. I actually wore this to college yesterday with just a pair of black mum jeans, and it looked really cool, really easy to throw on, and I walked downstairs and my mum was like, wow, that's a beautiful top. Makes me feel like I'm making an effort. Ooh, okay. The next thing I got is super trendy, I think. It is this leopard satin sort of slip dress. So so beautiful. I love the leopard print of it. I love the fact that it's a little bit bigger. I love the neckline. The sizing is just fabulous. I maybe could have gone into size down if I wanted it to be a little bit more figure hugging, but I kind of like the way it's like slip, you know what I mean? I feel like a leopard in it. I was about to say Simba who. That's a fucking lion, isn't it? Along the lines of leopard, I also got this, you're really not going to be able to see this. It kind of just looks like a long string. It's this like leopard tie bralette. I might just have to try it on with the bra underneath because I don't want my nipples on the internet. Just not really ready for that right now. It's really cool. You can get it with matching bottoms, which I know like Samira wore, I think, and that woman is just a 10 all round. She could put a bin bag on and look incredible. Chloe Hodgson who? Huh? Really nice for nights out. As I say with everything, dress up, dress down, you decide sweaty. Penultimately, I am using the right words, aren't I? I hope I am. Once again, this is one of those pieces that's really hard to show off my body. But the next thing I got is this pink satin dress. It's got a slit on the thigh. The slit is quite high, so you might have to wear some sort of like thong underwear, so the panties ain't gonna show. It looks like this at the back. It kind of like goes through these little loops and ties. Really pretty. I just think it's like really nice quality. I love the colour. It could look really nice on fair skin tones, really nice on darker skin tones, just an all-rounder. I'm definitely going to be wearing this on a night out because I feel like it would look really good with the clear perspex heels, because what wouldn't look good with the clear perspex heels. And last but not least, ASMR. Do you like her ASMR? This beautiful, oh fuck's sake. This, oh, Jesus Christ. Last but not least, this beautiful white one shoulder top. Well, it's technically cream, but I reckon once it's been through the wash it'll go white. It's identical to the black one. It's just the cream white version. I think it's super cool. I'd love to wear this with like a pair of jeans because I'm not fashionable. This would go with anything. I think it would look lovely with loads of gold layered necklaces because it would kind of pop against the white, you know. Fabulous with a tan, white, cream. It looks amazing with a tan and I'm really excited to wear it. I know my boyfriend is going to really love these, so props to you, Will. Okay, lol. So I look completely different because I've just got changed to film another video wearing the white top. I forgot to show you something, so that's why I look different. Another thing I got is this gorgeous, beautiful, is that the right way? Yeah, this gorgeous, beautiful bralette. It is so pretty. It would look so pretty like with a sort of maybe a v-neck jumper in the autumn time, or just like a mesh top if you're going out, or you know, if you want to be a bougie thought, maybe just a couple of nipple covers underneath and you're good to go. But yeah, it's so I was almost sick. I've eaten way too much apple. So that is the end of my haul video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. You can subscribe to me if you'd like to see more videos from me, and press the notification bell to make sure my videos come up in your subscription boxes. Definitely go over and follow my Instagram if you want to see more photos of these, because I'm gonna try and start posting more outfit pics. Ooh, actually, this with denim jeans and a matching denim jacket, loads of gold necklaces. A vibe. Hopefully this was helpful. Like, all of this clothing was just so inexpensive and I just am so in love with everything I got, which is so rare. Usually I'll order like 10 things and like maybe 3 of them, but I'm very impressed with all of this. And as I say again, not sponsored. All the links to everything will be down in the description box down below. They are affiliate links, which means that I will get like a little bit of commission through if you buy the link. So if you're not into that, you can just go onto the website and directly buy from them there, but it's really your choice. I love you all so much, and I will see you all very soon. Bye! I really hope I did not have lipstick on my teeth throughout that.